in types of exocrine gland, in Merocrine, the vesicles are secreted by exocytosis. In Apocrine, apical part goes off. And here Holocrine. Now in word holo, whole. So mature cell dies and becomes secretory product. So here from here you can remember the difference between the different types of exocrine gland. Now let us understand where and these glands are found, and so that we can remember. Now firstly we move on to the Merocrine gland. Now Merocrine gland cell is intact, secretion are thrown by exocytosis. See, it would be present in sweat glands on palms and soles. If sweat glands and palms and soles were exploding their whole their body, or even giving out their apical part, then in no case they would have formed such a hard surface for palms and soles. Palms and soles इतने थिक हैं बिकॉज ऑफ, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ अपना फ्लूइड ही निकाल रहे हैं. दे आर नॉट सिक्रेटिंग एनी पार्ट ऑफ द सेल. सो देयरफॉर sweat glands on palms and soles are merocrine. And in the rest body it is found clitoris, glans penis, labia majora, external clips and lips. Leaving all these we have find merocrine because it is the most efficient form. See, body will adopt for most efficient form, and here merocrine is most efficient, so merocrine will be found. Now we come on to the apical part. Now apical part is, see, ceruminous. What ceruminous, if we spell it in Hindi, it will sound like sar ko minus karna. So when we are subtracting the sar here, so sar is basically the apical part, so ceruminous gland will go away. Now glands of Moll. Now Moll is somewhat heavy, so what we will do, we will cut off some excess baggage to make it normal weight. So both glands of Moll and ceruminous glands are apocrine. And the holocrine. Now whole, when whole is involved, see, Jis can be written as jism in Hindi. Meibomian, bomb. Now bomb, when inside jism, will explode the whole body, so it will be holocrine. Now Montgomery tubercles is whole mountain is vanishing. Tyson. Now here we have to remember that that sun is tying himself. अब बहुत मुश्किल से अपने को कंट्रोल करके रखा है, but once there is a stimulus in the external fold of prepuce, then nobody can stop him. So you can remember Tyson is somebody who has been tied down, but on the slightest of provocation it would explode itself. And for Fordyce spots, you have to remember that Ford, if it explodes, then definitely it's the whole vehicle exploding. If this bomb is fit Fordyce spot, and it is near the lips and mucosa, because see, our lips is somewhat like road, that is, it has serrations but it is smooth, so we can relate that. Now we come on to the part apocrine sweat gland, eccrine sweat gland. They are both types of sweat gland. See, in puberty, what is our main motto? We have to attract the opposite sex. So therefore we have peculiar order. So, and also we are full of adrenergic, and since we want the moisturization of our skin, so there is lipids and proteins, and it is found around the hair shaft. Whereas eccrine sweat gland is the most efficient form, so it will be continuing throughout life. and it will have set pores, and it will maintain main functioning, maintaining the temperature and watery with salt. See, around hair shaft, you can remember that in apocrine it is around hair shaft, but eccrine is through sweat pores, and it is occurring throughout life. So you have to remember that for someone who is bald, then in them how will the secretion be happening, for the purpose of remembering. So if there is no baldness, if there is baldness, then apocrine will not function. So therefore to continue in bald people also secretion, we have sweat pores.